So in this project, we're going to start from paper, design something, so we know the dimensions, take it from this to this, which of course we've already demonstrated can be zoomed out for a really fancy picture that looks like this. I haven't already. To go in and set up a folder first so it's right on top, easy for you to find. Sketchup 2021, for example, or Sketchup 21. So create that folder. So later on when you're saving it, you'll have a place where you can put it that's easy to find. And you probably want to save it a few times, because nothing worse than if you're in a big class, a lot of people using bandwidth, and you end up losing some of your work. However, if you lost work, you're going to do it again. You'll remember it better. You'll get faster. You are in Google for education, Google Workspace. You can go over here to New, down here to More, and at the very bottom here we see SketchUp for Schools. I'm already logged in, so it might ask you to sign in with your Google sign-in, but that's just one more step you'll need to take before you get here. Now that we're inside, we need to go in and make sure we have our measurements. The first thing we need to worry about is tools. Select tool is very important, as is the draw with line tool. And down here, this is what helps us move things. Orbit helps us zoom around like this. Be careful you don't get lost. And if you ever really do get lost and you're not sure which way is up, because you can actually look at it from underground, Shift Z takes you back here to your main point here, your X, Y, Z axis. On my trackpad with my Mac, I can track in and out. You can do this with your wheel if you have a mouse. Also, over here, we can also grab the pan tool, helping us set things up. Now, to make things easy for ourselves, let's get it situated as close to flush as we can. All right.